And hello everyone, welcome back to Teardown. That was a bit of a letdown. Thought it was gonna be a lot cooler. So yeah, welcome back. I did a poll, a lot of you guys wanted Teardown too, so here we are. Let's watch a bit of TV before we get started. Hello? Okay. Breaking news. Oh. Two classic cars reported stolen from the West Point Marina. I wouldn't have known don't know who did that, but whatever. Let's get straight into it. I did some upgrading before starting the video. I upgraded my blowtorch all the way. Yeah, and then I ran out of money to upgrade the shotgun. So yeah, here we are. Whatever. Let's get to messages. Alright. Lawrence Lee Jr. Not really demolition, but whatever. You don't know me, but we've had a series of break-ins recently. In the last one, I lost two very rare classic cars. And guess what? I know who did it. Gordon Wu. That absolute butt is now bragging to everyone at the club about his two new favorite possessions. The break-in cost me a lot of property damage. I'd like to let Gordon taste some of his own medicine. Since you're in the demolition industry, I thought, well, I don't know, if you do this sort of work, just let me know if it sounds interesting. Mission? The car wash. Alright, I'm into it. Let's go. Oh, we're going to Gordon's villa. Villa Gordon. The car wash. Play mission. Alright. The car wash. Alright, we're gonna sneak in there. That's actually a pretty nice place. Hello? Okay, no one's here. Whatever. Let's see what our objectives are. What is going on? Alright, so we have a fired alarm, wired alarm boxes, and breaking alarm boxes for the alarm. Okay. Set position. Available target. I only need to do 3, but if we do all of them, that'd be great. So here's the main garage, the gallery, the workshop, winter garden, the pit stop, and guest garage. Well, we're obviously gonna start with this. I guess everything's all wired up, so we can see what we've got to do. Let's check it. That's over here, okay. Now, if we get in here, let's see. Okay, where's it at? Right there, okay. Yeah, we're wired up. Would I just dump them in the water, in the ocean? Let's get out of there. Just dump it in the ocean, yes. Dump, at least, yeah, in the ocean. So, let's just go ahead and... I know we're going to need to clear up the space anyway, so let's go ahead and do that. Bang, bang, dong. Windows services, am I right? Alright, so we get this here. This is a pretty darn good looking ramp. We can get that. I guess onto this, and then... Oh, I'm falling. And, like, maybe move some of this stuff out of the way. That's all stone. Okay. So then we should be able to just launch it all into water. Is this one of our targets here too? No. Where are they at again? Alright. There's one over there. This one should be the easiest one. It's out in the open. We just get it. Run it off. And the ground. Heck, we could even... It's on... a bed truck. Oh. We can drive the truck over to the ocean and throw it off from there. Yeah. Alright, so that's 2 of them kind of covered. I didn't really figure out what I'm going to do with that. But that's that one. That's that one. And there's that one there. Let's check that one. There's also that one there. Okay. Let's do this one over here. Oh, there's one there too. Right, that should be a pretty easy one too. It's also out in the open. So is this one. Why would you just leave them there? Whatever. Okay. That's just here. So if we got that, just... throw it off. Let me get up my handy dandy vacuum cleaner. Dang, it's strong. I don't want to suck up the car. Okay, yeah, totally gonna do that. So, yeah. If we can get that one, ramp it off that, and keep going a little bit, then, we put that one near that over there. We can dump that one in. There's still that one to worry about. And there's this one. We're gonna need to set up, like, I can use these other cars to get from place to place. Then, yeah, that seems like a good idea. But first, let me finish checking out the cars and everything where they're all at. I think this one's in here, yeah. It's in this gas garage. Where are we at? That's the bedroom. This looks like a release garage. Yeah, here we are. Also tied up. Yeah. It's the one way it opens. Okay. Yeah. I think I'm gonna quick save after I make some lines with spray can and move a few things here and there and try it out. Let's get on here and line it up over here at the ocean. Just set it down. Alright. Alright, so then after we get that one over here, throw it in. Quickly jump out of it before it lands in the water. Jump in this one, throw it in. Then I'm gonna have an escape vehicle set up here. I'm gonna take it all the way up there and get that one, dump it in the water, and then have another vehicle there set up to get over there to those cars, and then get that one, drive it off the edge. Do the same thing with that one car that's in there, drive it off. Then we can get another vehicle there, and then swing back and get that other car. Yeah, that seems like a good idea. I'm curious if I could just like remove the alarm box from the wall and carry it with me. Let me quick save and try that. If I just carry it with me. It seems like it wouldn't be very possible. We can try it though. Try it with the shotgun here. Alright. I only have 2 shots. That's not a torch. Does not appear to work on it. Ledge. Come on. No. Uh-oh. Try for fun. Yeah. Let's quick load. That was a bad run. That was an accident anyway. Alright. So, there's that in there. I guess there's water right there. We just off the edge. What if we start with that one? And then make our way back around for the rest of them. I want to see if something else. There should be. What's the ocean? Does it have to be the ocean? Is there no water in the pool? How is there no water in the pool, bro? I guess it's being cleaned. So I was thinking we should just dump them in the pool. Whatever. I just want to test this if I can get it to go. Yeah, no, that's gonna be a problem. So I guess I have to clear it out the way a little more. For that one to get to be able to go. Right. Let me try and clean it up. So I can see that the alarm box is up here. What if I just take it off? That is almost bad. Take it off with the flip. How did that even... Okay. Yeah, so I guess they kind of... Alright, here we are. So, like I said, we're going to do that one first. Swing it over into the water. Have an escape car right there. Drive all the way over here. Get these two. And then that one. So I've got to make a good way for this one to get out. Because these little flower whatevers are in the way. Big time. In the way. Come on. Get it out. Get it up here. See if we can try and get it up and over this. I don't know if we can, but then just drive it out into the water. Yeah. And then with this one, we could also do it just going straight that way and jumping in that water over there. Alright, yeah, that's a good idea. And this one. This one might be a little more difficult. Let's try and turn it around. What if we do that one as the last one? Because it's closer to our escape vehicle, kind of. Yeah, we can try that. I just gotta clear this way. I gotta clear it out, so. I wonder if I shoot that. Yep, that worked. I just gotta clean it up with this vacuum. Oh, okay. Well, that worked. That worked. Now we have a clear way. Oh yeah. Should be able to open that up with just the car as we come through. Alright, this will be the last one we do because it's so close. And then we'll just take these cars everywhere and set them up at our point. So that we can get that one just wing out. Take down this tree. Get out of here. That could be a problem. Need to bust it down. Not in a sexual way though. Come on, man. Too big for me to grab. I guess if the car's going fast enough, it doesn't really matter. Let's test it real quick. Let me quick save. Oh, there's a quick load. Oh, I just reset everything. And we're back. Alright, I had to redo everything just to get us back to where we were. Alright, so now we've got the car back there. We've got that one ready. So if we zoom out, jump on this, zoom over here, get that car, and throw it off the edge. Hold on. What if, because that one's the furthest one out, we do that one first. Zoom with that car all the way back up here. Take that, zoom out with that, get in that one, drive all the way over here, and then take these cars, like that one, and that one, and that one, and out that way towards that part of the ocean kind of thing. That could be good. Good, good. But then I'd have to clear out all of this. Or I could just, like, back up and shoot straight out. But I have to clear all that, the wall out or whatever. Or I could just get out and, you know, so it's all closer to the vehicle. Alright, let me get down there to where that car is, and then I'll quick save and we'll try it. Here we are. We're ready? Alright, here we go. That counts? The timer didn't even start and that counts? Let me quick save, that's awesome. Oh man, that's awesome, that's great. It didn't even set the alarm off. Wow, that's clever. I guess I didn't need the escape car. So we'll still be using it for fun. Oh yeah. Oh! Oh yeah, that's amazing. That's beautiful. Never seen anything better in my life. But we are still gonna have to use this. Let me make a better route. Alright, but I guess I'll correct what's going on over here with this car and how I'm gonna get it out of here. Because I guess I gotta make a new path instead of it going that way for it to go that way. So let me just clear out all this rub. Oh. Thank you. Goodbye. Clear all this out. Boom, 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 boom. Clear this out. Boom, 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 boom. Take that down that way. Then that's after we do that one. We zoom over here, boom. Hit that one. Boom. And we'll have to set up a vehicle up down there. And then get that one and then boom. And then we should be able to escape. Let me go ahead and find. Alright, so we still have this one. This one should still be usable as an escape vehicle, so I'll set it up. Should be usable. Yeah, okay. Set it up, get it over there. See if we can find any other cars around the map. I'm gonna just drive. Alright. Like that. That's good. Then we just dump them over here, and we have this baby set up. This mom minivan, soccer mom minivan, ready to go. That's the company does that. I don't want it too far. So we can take that zoom back in here. I'm gonna take down the fence. I'm just gonna take it down. I don't even care. What? Come on, what's holding you together? Ugh. Is it you? What are you? Now can I move you? Yeah, okay. Good. I love that sound. Don't have to worry about a fence at all. Alright, we get that. Let me get you out of there. That's the wrong button. Alright. Zoom back in here. Then we get that car. Zoom out. Make sure there's another vehicle there. Get that car. Then zoom out, run to our escape car. Which means I need to have two decently fast cars set up there. That's our... Let me check my vacuum cleaner if I sucked up a van or something. I sucked it in. That's going out. Oh, yeah, we did. There's a van. No. Don't fall in the water. Hello. We're gonna use you. I'm surprised I had a van in there. That vacuum holds everything I could possibly need. Hopefully it's not in the way too much for me to dump the cars in. Hopefully. Alright, and now it's time to do the first run, so let's get back over there. Alright guys. Alright, while I was moving all the cars, I decided to spray paint the path to everything, so without further ado, let's go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I got out too early. Oh no. I hope we can still save it. We can still save it. We can still save it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. In. Make it, make it, make it, make it, make it, make it. Don't fall in the pool. Go, 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 go. Zoom, 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 zoom. Over the edge. And make it out. Alright, there we go. We did that one. Get back over here. Towards this one. Come on, we have 16 seconds left. Go, 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 go. Go, go. No, 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 no. It's too fast. No, no, we've already lost it. Here, there, here. Oh, no. We messed up. I think we definitely messed up because I got out of the car too early. And a little bit of that failed there because I hit the wall. Let's quick load and try that again. Alright. Second try. Go. Don't get out of the car too early this time. Oh no, we messed up. Come on. Oh no, I just gotta restart that one. That was bad. Quick load. Alright. Third try. Here we go. Now don't hit the car this time. Oh crap. I did it again. Whatever. We can do it. We can do it still. We can do it still. We can do it still. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. What's going on? Oh, oh. Alright guys, I removed more of the brush over there at that place, and then I also changed out the cars that are up there for the minivan, and I spray painted everything. I think I already said that though, so let's give it hopefully our last try. And go! Don't hit the car this time. And don't get out too early this time. Oh, whatever, it's too late. Just go, 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 go. See, look, I cleared it out a little more, so it should be a bit better. Hit maneuver our way out of here. Yeah, okay, that's much smoother. Come on, don't hit that. Do better than that. Slow down a little bit. Go, 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 go. And dump it. Go with this one. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. We have 20 seconds. That's a lot more time than we had last time. Go, 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 go. Oh, I still hit the wall. And up. Alright, hopefully our last try. Here we go. Much better there on that one. Come on. Alright, here we go. Hopefully, again, our last try. Make it easier so we don't hit too much stuff or anything. And I can stop the car at a good time. That's much better. That's the best that we've ever done this entire time. So, come on. Alright, I'm only going to do the 3. I can't get the other one. Maybe in a negative video. But it's just too much. Or maybe we can try for the very last one that's still in that building that faces straight out. Go, 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 go. Try for one last one. Oh darn, I got out of the car too early. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Get it, 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 get it. Get in, go, 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 go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, there's a wall there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we failed. Gosh darn. Huh. Maybe we don't do all 3. But, I'll do one extra one. Which will be the car that's facing in the garage. Okay? Just one extra one. Because it's just... I've already been recording for like an hour. And it's just so hard. Maybe in another video. But, yeah. Let's just try and get the last one there. Just one more. Quick load. Let's go. Let's try it again. Alright. We can do this. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. We got this. Go. Get in the car. Go, 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 go. Get straight past all that. All the way over here. I don't know why I did any of that. But whatever. I got out a bit early. Doesn't matter. Get the car. Go, go, go. Turn, 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 turn. Did hit the bush that time. That's amazing. Oh, we're about to go in the pool. No, 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 no. We got it. 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 Going, 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 going. Turn, slow down a little bit. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Oh, I think we messed up. Oh, we definitely messed up. Let's try that again. Quick load. Alright, I've decided we're not going to go for that green looking car over there. We're going to go for the red car. Alright? So hopefully this one will truly be our final mission, or at least our final try for this mission. Jump out. Abort. Get in car. Drive. Skip that. Go here. Don't hit the rock. Don't hit the plant. Hit the plant. Hit the rock. Oh, darn. Go. Turn, 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 turn. Go, 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 go. Get out of the car. No, we're in the pool. We can save it. We can save it. We can save it. Get in the car. Get in the car. Boom, 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 boom. Don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. Don't hit the wall. Drive, drive, drive. Turn, turn, turn. Jump. Get in. Go, 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 go. Drive straight through. Jump out. Get in this one. Oh man, we're doing so good. This is the best one yet. Getting out. Slowing down a little bit just to throw it in. Throws it in. It did. Oh, it did make it. Good, 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 good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Yeah! We did it. After, I don't even, 29, almost 30 minutes of trying to do this. We finally did it. I think I'm going insane. That was awesome. Let's head back to the house. Oh, trespasser. You already know. We've done that more than once now. We're outside. Oh, it's a nice day out here. Yeah, it's pretty great. Let's head inside. Oh, we've got a new tool. Let's see that. Alright. We're not gonna go in the normal way. No, no, no. We're gonna go in my way. We're gonna use the crane, boys. One, here we go. Ugh. That's good enough. Oh, hey, the car thing. What do we get? Plank tool. Planks can be used to build primitive ramps. You can also attach objects with planks to lift heavy items. Interesting. Use multiple planks to build complex structures to get to high places. We could have used that. Let's check it out. We have 8 planks. Yes. Oh, I messed one up. Yeah. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. The chemicals. Brand symbolizes the success of the company. Huh. Don't care. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it that for today. Thanks for sticking by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to let me know if you want to see more of this stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.